In this video we are going to see about float, double and integers. Now let's look at float and double first. So float and double is basically this, like float and double are basically same thing. The only difference is the range is going to be different. Range of the float starts from 1.2 times 10 to the power of negative 38, very small number, to this big number. And double, the range start from 2.2 times this number 10 to the power of minus 30, actually 308, so it's actually very small than this, right, to very big number than this. But also it takes up more memory. It takes 64-bit, but float only takes 32-bit. Now let's see how we can use this in our C++. So first of all, let's say we have a number, like let's pick up a number, float, and let's say GPA is equal to 3.987, and if we want to print this one out, print on the screen, we put cout GPA, and let's execute this and see what happens. And if you notice, we are having these decimal values. Now we look at the float, and double also is same thing. For example, if you want to print double, let's put double right here. Double, let's say GPA2. GPA2 is equal to some number, like let's say 5.874, and here instead of GPA we put GPA2 and see whether GPA2 also print the decimal values. Okay, I made a mistake. Let's see. Okay, I can put this one semicolon. Now it should work. Okay, if you see, we are getting the decimal values, but if you put integer, you know that we won't get these decimal values. GPA is equal to, let's say, 4 point something, and if you print this one out, GPA2, so if you print this one, it won't show you the decimal values because integer is only for the full values, right? Now let's see some applications. For example, if we have 5 classes, integer classes is equal to 5, and integer points total is equal to, let's say, 16, and we want to find our GPA. So integer GPA is equal to points total divided by classes, and let's see out this one and see what we get. Cout and GPA. Okay, and we are getting 3. And if you see, 16 divided by 5 should be more, like we have to have some decimal values, right? But we are only getting 3 because all of them are in integer. Now let's see whether if we change this one into float, we will get the decimal values. So if we change float, okay, I have to try this one again. GPA is equal to points total divided by classes, and if you notice, we are still getting 3. It's because we have assigned this one to GPA, but this points total and classes are still in integer, right? So to change this one into decimal values, what we have to do is we have to cast a float into this one, this in front of this. So in that way we will be able to print the decimal values. Now let's try this one. So let's cut this and let's put float right here, and now let's paste this one, and now we should be able to get these decimal places. Okay, now you see we are getting the 3.2, and those are some basic functions of double and float and also integers. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.